Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix this problem on your WeChat. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first guys, you don't need to open your WeChat application. Just go ahead and search for settings of your device and open it. Then go and open your apps option and search right here on for WeChat. When you found it, just open it like I'm doing. Scroll down until you found storage option. Right here, be careful, don't click on clear data guys, because it will delete all your data on your application. So click just on clear cache and then go back and click on not open guys, on force stop here, click OK, and then go to battery and allow it on optimized mode. Also you can go to set as a default open supported links and then go back to permission and and allow these options right here. And right now go to your Play Store, update your WeChat on the last version, then restart your phone. That's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.